Welcome to Transcendent. I'm happy you're here.
On behalf of Aviation General Manager Jonas Allen and the 63,000 employees at this airport, we welcome you.
I guess I should say merci. Bonjour, comment est?
Now, you may think you know Haiti, but you'll never know Haiti the way I know it and the way you could know it until you come to the International Airport in Atlanta and see the exhibit of Haitian art from some of the greatest. You will be mesmerized. Join us in this quest. It's the beginning of Haiti being on a pathway toward development. Effectively changing the narrative for Haiti starts right here. So I'm inviting you to make the quest for Haiti being a developed nation yours. And I'm inviting you to embark on this journey of creating a new narrative through the art that you'll see at the airport and also through the art that you yourself will create out of your words for Haiti, for yourself, for your community. There's just so much art to see and so much beauty to take in. Allow yourself that hour, come to Concourse E and take in Haiti. So welcome to Transcendent. I'm happy you're here. Let's do this together.